Hi everybody, I'll be showing you how I made this quick tutorial on how I made this flower. So it's easy, but like Sonia had asked me how I did this edges of the flower. So there are two ways you can do it. So I'll show you the two ways that I did. On each one I have done this one, and then on this one I didn't do it. So the thing is, like, you melting this part, so it all depends on the ribbon. So you have to take a silk ribbon which easily melts. The other ribbons will be hard to melt, like. So but like what I did was, uh, now this one was done with 1 yard of ribbon, this one too with 1 yard, and this, like, I had like 24 inches left, so I just made it out of it. It came out very cute too. This was done with 1 yard. It depends on how full you want your ribbon. So, and this also, both are done with which I have to put some center, and are done with 1 yard also. Not with 1 yard, I mean 24 inches, I think so. So uh, so you take the length of the ribbon that you want, and then all you do is take what do you say, needle. You take some stitches on one side of your ribbon, like this way. And with this method, if you're not comfortable with the, what do you say, the lighter, don't use it. I like to use this one because it is long and it's little away. Yesterday I used it, so it's all gone. But this kind of I like it. I don't like this kind of it. So you just take some stitches, pull it on the pleats, and then on the pleats just try to melt them, like, a little bit, like this way. So once you have melted it, like, it will look like this. And then the other, I did it with what do you say, heat gun. And even with the heat gun, sometimes gets hot very quickly, so you have to be very careful when you do this. If you're not comfortable, I would advise you not to do. So you just like kind of put it here, and then it's like you just want to melt a little bit. And I said, like, if the ribbon is thin, it will melt. So melt, it will take a little long time to melt. I mean thick. If it is thin, it will melt very easily. See, I don't know also what I'm talking, so you get this way. So once you do the whole thing, like this one, this I already did on there, and then the other side of it, you do running stitch. So I already did the running stitch. You join the two parts together, and then not the side that you have all, what you say, melted it, because that you have to show it here in the front. So on the other side you do it, and you take and you just do running stitch, and then you pull both the ends of the like, you do running stitch flower. Just pull it, and how tight and how loose you want. I like to make it tight and more ruffly, like so, like this. So you just I'm just going to tie it like, make 2-3 knots so it won't go anywhere. And whenever you're doing these kind of what is it, pulling the thread, you always try to use a strong, like I use the quilting thread, so you use strong thread, otherwise it will break in the middle because you're pulling it. and then you will have this kind of uh, flower. And then what I did was I cut a felt and I put it here, and I put this button, and even if you want to use cameo, like you put that and for this one I didn't have the same color, so I used this, I cut this into a round shape and use it on here and also on here. And then so once you have the round felt, you can take one of these cameo or any other, like you know you want, and this looks pretty. And then I put this rhinestone around it, I glue the rhinestone around it. So it's that simple and that easy to do it. So Sonia, I hope you got it, and thanks a lot everybody for watching and commenting and for all your support. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.